Hi, I'm going to review this camera. It's still dual lens and actually has 3 cameras. One is for the backup camera and it records. One is for the front and one is for the passengers. It's HD video recording. It has a 170 degrees wide angle, a loop recording, and a G sensor. G sensor means if somebody hit your car, it will start recording and record all the voice. And this is the camera. That's a really nice camera. They have one in the front, one in the back to record the passengers, all the conversations. And also it has a backup camera you can install in your bumper in your car. And of course the power cord. And this camera is coming with a memory card of 32 gigabytes, and also has the manual so you can read the instructions. This is a really nice camera. I really recommend it. It's nice. It's 3-channel dash camera, and it's really good. It's recording really nice. I'll show you in a minute how to install it. Thank you. Hi, I'm here to show you how to install this camera. First, you peel off this paper, the double side tape, and just place it wherever you want to install. Well, I have here first, I have the cable for the backup camera and also the power cord. So you install it and just place it wherever you feel like it is okay. So for me, right there, it's okay. It has a double side tape. So you turn it on, and it has 3 different modes. Can you see the camera there recording? It's really good. So, and you can record at the same time the inside and the outside. I'm gonna stop here for a second. But the camera is really nice. Hope you can see it really good. It will record whatever we're talking inside the car and record everything with this camera. So you can see it better. Right there is recording the camera. It records really good.